IETC, Vietnam's first international standard electronics training center. Saigon High-Tech Park is one of 3 national high-tech parks set up by the Prime Minister and assigned to Ho Chi Minh City Authority with the task to directly manage and contribute to development of such spearhead and cornerstone industry for the countries as electronics and semiconductor chip IC1s for the country. It is seen based on the industrialization related experience in other countries as none of countries can go through success industrialization without strongly developing its electronics industry. None of countries can develop its semiconductor industry without owning a strong electronics industry. In order to go fast and catch up with countries strong in the industry, Vietnam needs to work out a breakthrough approach of from top down, meaning going straight forward to design stage with high added values, including product design and chip design. With aspiration and spirit to serve the country, the Vietnamese people are senior experts in electronics in Silicon Valley, the USA. Together with local entrepreneurs and experts, have built up and formed International Electronics Training Center (IETC), Vietnam's first international standard electronics training center in Vietnam.
Bộ Khoa học Công nghệ cũng đề nghị Ban Quản lý Công nghệ cao Thành phố Hồ Chí Minh tiếp tục triển khai có hiệu quả việc hợp tác với các doanh nghiệp, các tổ chức của công nghệ để thúc đẩy hệ sinh thái công nghiệp điện tử vi phạm công nghệ phát triển mạnh mẽ hơn nữa thời gian tới. Một lần nữa xin chúc mừng sự ra đời kịp thời và phải nói là tất yếu của trung tâm đào tạo điện tử quốc tế tại khu công nghệ cao Thành phố Hồ Chí Minh.
Mô hình đào tạo như trung tâm của chúng ta ở đây, cách tiếp cận trong đào tạo như trung tâm chúng ta ở đây là rất quan trọng, và tôi nghĩ rằng nên có một cái sự kết nối giữa trung tâm chúng ta với các cơ sở đào tạo tại Thành phố Hồ Chí Minh để chúng ta chia sẻ kinh nghiệm và chúng ta tiếp cận dần làm sao cái chất lượng hiệu quả đào tạo của chúng ta được tốt nhất.
Hôm nay chúng ta đang có trung tâm đào tạo quốc tế về điện tử để có thể đào tạo ra những kỹ sư có thể phát triển những cái sản phẩm điện tử có thể ra mọi độ.
Mục đích cuối cùng mình phải làm chủ được công nghệ. Để muốn làm chủ được công nghệ thì có 3 cái yếu tố chính. Yếu tố thứ nhất là con người, cái yếu tố thứ nhì là nền tảng, cái thứ ba là chất lượng và thị trường.
International Electronics Training Center, abbreviated as IETC, a non-business agency directly under the management board of Saigon High-Tech Park, is co-founded by Vietnamese experts in Silicon Valley and local entrepreneurs and Sun Electronics Group joint stock company that have collaborated with each other for deployment at the high-tech training center to have standardized professional level and skill for Vietnamese human resources to get globally competitive and contribute to development of entire city and country's electronics and semiconductor chip industry. This is the first model in Vietnam to pilot a breakthrough method in attracting the Vietnamese expert force from developed nations, especially those from Silicon Valley, the USA, to return to the homeland to work and make contributions on the basis of combining this force with the one of local entrepreneurs and experts within the framework of specific projects in association with the enforcement of development goals for a particular industry with great impact on the country's development in the forthcoming stage. During the first stage, IETC intends to organize elementary, intermediate, and advanced classes for learners with high school qualifications, graduates from technical university and colleges, or engineers and employees working at electronic companies with following 3 courses. Number 1, the course on IPC International Electronics Standards. This is a training course on IPC electronic standards for workers, technicians, and engineers, including design standards for electronic circuits, their productions and assembly, standards for finished electronics products production, assembly, and testing. Number 2, the course designs of printed circuit board, PCB design, and designs of electronics product development. This is the training course for human resources with bachelor degree of sciences, majoring electronics to improve their design levels of printed circuit boards in order to supplement their high-tech workforce to companies specializing in designing electronic products. This is to train learners with skills to develop, complete, and finish electronics products from the initial concept step until the final step of finishing the product and launching it into the market, including hardware design, firmware design, and mechanical design. Number 3, the course on Electronics Manufacturing Services, EMS. This is the training course for workers, technicians, and engineers in electronics manufacturing industry in order to provide human resources to electronics manufacturing company services, EMS. It is also the advanced training course for engineers and administrators on the manufacturing process of an electronics factory, EMS, including from organizational structure, operational function to design and manufacturing, and marketing techniques for product sales. This is considered as a critical course for futuristic director of Vietnam's electronics companies with processes of business development and supply chain, processes of management and production operation, system, technique, and quality control. These training courses are designed and directly lectured by Vietnamese experts in Silicon Valley, the USA, during the first stage and gradually transfers to local experts later. IETC is well and sufficiently facilitated with standard devices and technologies to perform IPC standard-oriented training programs. International Electronics Training Center, IETC, the first IPC standard-based training model in Vietnam, has made contributions to the development of human resources in Vietnam's electronics and IC industries to meet international standards and get powerful enough to compete with other countries. Following the formation of Saigon High-Tech Chip Design Center, SSTP Chip Design Center, abbreviated as SCDC in the year 2020, and on the basis of cooperation with the world's leading chip design companies like Synopsys and Cadence, the inauguration of International Electronics Training Center, IETC, was regarded as extremely crucial and necessary preparation step in the investment promotion in strategic industry such as electronic and semiconductor chip industries in the year 2023 and the next coming years, contributing to realize the goal to develop Vietnam into the semiconductor chip design center in the region and the world. IETC, Vietnam's first international standard electronics training center.